Hey, what's up guys, my name is David and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to create a playlist on YouTube. If you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, or if you have problems in creating Google accounts because you'll have to verify by phone, no problem. At the end of this video I'll place two videos on the screen so you can learn how to create unlimited Gmail accounts and also YouTube channel without the phone verification. But that being said, this tutorial today is about how to create a new playlist on YouTube. Once you'll be on YouTube page, let's press on your icon and we'll have to reach not for the studio but for your channel. Let's just read this channel page, and this is the channel which I created in a previous video where I'll teach you how to create a new YouTube channel. We'll have to press not on customize channel, we'll have to press on manage videos, because only here we can learn how to create a new playlist, and also from here we can manage all the playlists that we have. And we have to go not on videos live. Here we have a button playlist. Let's close this and let's press on new playlist, and this playlist will be named computers that I saw in Nevada. This should be a random title for our playlist. In the second row you will have to add a description that will help with YouTube search engine, so just don't ignore all this. These are just some smaller steps, but trust me, they will make the difference. So here you can build your description. I will recommend you to make it at least like 300 characters. Don't go too crazy with that, because adding too many keywords will also influence in a negative way the SEO. Here you can set that visible to the public, private or unlisted. Let's press on public. If we'll press on private, only us will see the playlist. Let's press on create. Now if you want to edit your playlist, you can press on this button. Here you can select the videos which you want to add on this one, but if you want to add some videos, you can also go to videos, select every video that you have, then you have some more dots, and you have a select button. Select add to playlist and you see your playlist name. You can select that, then press on add. That's how to add videos in the playlist. Or if you want to delete the playlist, you'll have also button delete playlist. Now if we go on customize channel, let's reach this one. Here you can see some featured up sections. Let's press on add section and we can add a single playlist, and this is computer that I saw in Nevada is the playlist that we created, and we can drag this all the way up. And now let's press on publish, and in this way when we'll be on our channel, this will be the first playlist that will show up, but it's not showing up because I don't have any videos inside of that playlist. So this is how to drag down or up a playlist. Or if you want to delete one, press on this section and remove the section that you don't want anymore. You want to add more playlists, the same. Press on these dots, press on single playlist and add again the playlist that you want to show up. That being said guys, I really hope I helped you with this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll try to get to you as soon as possible. I want to thank you a lot for watching, and I want to wish you also have the greatest day you can possibly have.